Hi everyone. So in last video we covered about donut chart. Here you could see this. Now today we are going to learn about tree map chart. Okay. So to make understand, I would keep the pie chart here and then I would create the tree map chart. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy and paste the same object and I'll replace this with tree map chart. Okay, I'll replace this with so the data is same. Here you could see this and the visualization has been converted into tree map chart, right? So tree map chart in Power BI is a hierarchical visualization object which displays data as a set of nested rectangle and each branches of the hierarchy each branches of the hierarchy is a represented by a rectangle and sub branches are shown as a smaller rectangle within this. See, here you could see this, here you could see this is the smaller rectangle within this, right? Smaller rectangle within this. Now if I currently the data is reflecting by region and category here also. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to change some logic to only make you understand. So instead of region here I'm going to put the state, right? So if I select this state, see this. So if we see the pie chart, so small slices are there, right? Very small slices, you could see this, very small slices are there. When we put the mouse, then we get the tooltips data like state, category, sum of sales and sum of profit amount, right? It is somehow difficult to read, but if I use the same logic here, okay, so instead of region I'll put the state. So see this, we are getting the data which we can read it. It's not like we cannot read it, we can read it. So the question comes here is that when as I said, that each branches of the hierarchy is represented by a rectangle and sub branches are shown as a smaller rectangle. Here also you could see this, right? Data is reflecting and tooltips data also we are getting it, right? Now question may come that when do we use this, right? So to show the part to hold a relationship within hierarchical data, by the time also you can use it whenever you need to visualize large volume of categories, by the time also you can use it. If you want to compare proportions between groups and sub groups easily, by the time you can use this. Now question may come that why do we use Treemap, right? So it helps in identifying the large contribution quickly. So for this reason we can use Treemap chart. And what could be what are the best data types for Treemap charts? So I would say that whenever you have the category or subcategories data, by the time you can use Treemap chart. Or if you have the sales revenue or unit sold data, in our data it's a sales data, so we have the sales amount, profit amount, discount and revenues by region and state or categories, product ID. So if you have this type of data, by the time also you can use Treemap chart. So it's a good for visualization and good for understanding. So for that reason we are using it Treemap chart. So that's all about Treemap chart, and I would request you please do the hands-on Treemap chart, and excited to learn about Power BI end to end. Then I would request you please like and subscribe the channel, and let's meet in next video. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching.